Hello everyone, this is Sannutha. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all the part 2 of my weekly vlog / a week in my life. Do check out the part 1 if you haven't already. And now without any further ado, let's get started. Hello, so today is Wednesday. So basically I had planned to film a video today for YouTube, but then I had to change the plan, so I'll probably be filming that video tomorrow, hopefully. So as of today, as there is no video to film or shoot, I will have some other tasks to get done. So I'll probably be also editing that, the vlog I'm currently shooting. Then I also have some other tasks like, I have to complete some assignments, some college work, and then I also have reels to plan and also to script a video. So the first thing I'll be doing is to plan some reels content, because as tomorrow is a filming day, probably I'll be filming a video tomorrow. That's why I'll plan some reels content as well, so that I can film some reels along with the YouTube video. So now I'll be planning some reels content. So I just completed, planning the reels content. So I planned out about 2 to 3 reels. And if in case, like I said, if I film the YouTube video tomorrow, then I'll also film these, reels as well, so that I can upload them on Instagram. Hello, so it is 3:30 p.m. right now, and I had been out, so just came back home. I think the last you saw me was when I was planning some reels content. So to be very honest, after that I didn't really do anything productive. I didn't get any other things done. I just chilled for a bit and then had my lunch, and I had been out, so I just came back home now. And now I'll actually be scripting a video. If you're wondering why am I scripting so much, it's just that I get ideas, but it sometimes really takes a lot of time for me to script an entire video, because there are days when I just can't script an entire video in one go, and I don't even have the right mental space for that sometimes. So that's the reason I just end up scripting half the video. So today I have to script the rest of the video. So that's what I'll be doing right now, and I'll get started with that. Hello everyone, so it is currently 5 right now, and I just came to get some editing done. I'll be editing the video you're right now watching. It's the weekly vlog. So because I've been vlogging this week, so it's kind of like I have a lot of clips to edit, so I'll be editing that video. So that's what I'll be doing right now, and that's pretty much it. Hello, so it is 2 o'clock right now, and I just had my lunch, and now I will be filming a YouTube video. So I am all ready, and the setup is ready as well. So I'll be filming that YouTube video, and I'll meet you after that. Hello everyone. I have in-depth talked about this concept. I have in-depth talked about this, so do check the video out. I'll be linking. Sure. They won't stop. Yo. Breakfast replenishes the stores. Woo. Hello, it is 3:15 right now, and I just completed filming that YouTube video. That video will probably be up by the time you'll be watching this video, so do check out that video on my channel. It is a video where I've shared about habits for a productive and intentional morning routine. So do check the video out if it is something that interests you. The link will be in the description below. So now that I know I completed filming that YouTube video, I'll be just chilling for a while. I do this every time. I mean, when I complete filming a YouTube video, it's like, it's a lot of work, so I will be just chilling for a while now. By the way, I also filmed some reels, so that went well. So the behind the scenes you just saw was me filming all the b-rolls I wanted for the video I filmed today. So basically after chilling and watching some YouTube videos, I decided to film all the b-rolls I needed, because if I just procrastinate that thing, I keep procrastinating, and sometimes I have to film all the b-rolls a few days before uploading the video. So I thought it would be better if I get it all done today. So I filmed all the b-rolls I needed for the video I had filmed today. So that went well. Hello, so today is a Friday and it is 3:30 p.m. right now. After getting done with all of my classes, I just transferred some clips to the computer. I also edited the vlog for a while, and now I'm thinking of doing something fun. I mean, doing something like an artwork. I'm thinking of doing an artwork. So basically, I am this person who loves to create some artwork, but I'm not like very good at that. But I still do it for my satisfaction. So I'm thinking of doing an artwork today as well. I mean, even if it is like very simple and easy, it's okay. It doesn't really like bother me. I mean, in fact, that's what I need. So I usually keep saving some good artworks on my Instagram whenever I see them. If I find them like cute and easy, I keep saving them so that I can recreate it someday. So I'll just go through my Instagram saves and see if I can get some easy, good artwork which I can recreate. So that's what I'll be doing right now. I'll find an artwork and get back to you. So I just found this artwork. It's more of like a lettering, and I think it's really like simple and like beautiful. So this is basically what it looks like, and this is by the artist named with this profile name, and I think this is like a very simple yet very cute artwork. So I'll try to recreate it. I mean, I'll just try to create something similar to this. So let's see how that goes. Okay, I definitely don't see this ending well. I don't see this ending beautiful. And one of the main reasons is that I don't have a lot of color tubes. I mean, I don't like create artworks very often, so maybe that's the reason a lot of tubes just get dried out most of the times. And that's the reason I don't have a lot of colors, and the main color is actually pink in this artwork, and I don't even have pink right here. So that's one of the problems. But I still don't want to stop doing this just because I don't have the proper colors. I'll try to do something out of this and try to give my best and do my best. So let's see how this turns out, and even if it doesn't turn out well, I'll share it with you. So I just got done with creating this artwork, and to be very honest, I'm not like too disappointed by the way it has turned out. I mean, it is definitely not too bad, but I'm not too proud either. But I think when it comes to creating artworks, for me especially, I think the process is what matters the most, because I really enjoy the process of creating something because it's just so satisfying and fulfilling. So more than the result, I definitely am happy that I just did this, because the process was something that definitely made me happy. So yeah, this is how it turned out, like I showed, and I'm definitely not disappointed. Hello, it is 6:30 p.m. right now, and I just had a small break. I just chilled for a bit, and now I'm thinking of reading this book, Attitude is Everything. I have heard that this is a really good book, so I'll be reading this next. By the way, I just wanted to say that I don't really buy a lot of books. You might be wondering, you read a lot of books, so you must have to buy a lot of books. But the thing is, the most of the books I read are not, I don't buy them. I usually borrow them from my brother, and I read it and then give it back to him. It's almost like a library for me, because he reads a lot of books, and I just borrow those books, read and give it back to him. And this is also one of those books, so this is my next read. I'll be reading this now, and yeah, this is what I do. I don't really buy a lot of books, but I think I'm glad at least I get to borrow and read, and I'm definitely grateful for that, because the reading part is what is important, and that's what matters to me the most. So like I said, I'll start reading this now, and that's what I'll be doing right now. And that pretty much wraps up today's video. I really hope you liked watching this vlog, and let me know if you want to see more vlogs in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.